I have an acronym. It's READS, REEDS. And what that stands for is relax, eat well, exercise, detox, and sleep. Relaxing, really important, deep breathing, time out in nature, meditation. It's amazing the research that we have now to show just how impactful stress levels and the damaging effects they have on our gut. We produce a lot of stress chemicals in the body and they wreak havoc on the gut microbiome. The next one is eat well. So we want to make sure that we're eating a clean diet, that we're getting enough water. What does it mean to eat well? We're eating a lot of plant foods. We're eating very minimal processed foods, organic if possible. The next one is exercise every day. Moving our bodies. We know that when we exercise, we produce chemicals that are soothing to the gut. Just getting out and moving our bodies every day and not sitting for long periods of time. Detox just means that we're doing things that are limiting the amount of exposure that our gut microbiome has to toxins through our food, our water, also supporting our liver health so that we're able to detoxify better. Things like cruciferous vegetables, milk thistles, minerals like selenium. Just making sure that we're supporting our detox pathways and that we're not burdening our systems with a lot of toxins. And then last is sleep. And we know that a full night of restorative sleep is very beneficial to the gut microbiome. Best foods would definitely be things that haven't been exposed to pesticides and toxins, making sure we're eating organic, that we're staying away from gluten. Oats are also unless they're organic, very highly saturated with a chemical called glyphosate, which we know is a neurotoxin, also associated with cancer and other adverse health effects. Fruits, vegetables, lots of colors, that we're getting nuts and seeds into the diet, wild-caught fish, we're eating pasture-raised, grass-fed beef, things like that. So just really clean food, staying away from the ultra-processed, which then gets me into what is bad for our gut microbiome. It's going to be the foods that we find in what we call a standard American diet. It's referred to as SAD, the SAD diet, very fitting. And it's a lot of packaged foods, things like processed meats, cow dairy, candies, sweets, sugary beverages, all of those things, fried foods, are damaging to the gut microbiome. So one other thing I would say that I think is really important to keep in mind about our gut microbiome is that the gut microbiome is like a fingerprint. It's unique to every individual. It's based on our DNA, which is specific to each one of us. And our genetics lay the groundwork for this organ system.